Hey!
That's a present from the Easter Bunny.
Uh-huh.
And that's Chucky.
Easter Bunny came and gave you presents, Chloe. Chloe? Chloe, play with them later, yeah? Look. More building blocks and shapes and stuff. And that's some candy. Chloe, do you want to go find some eggs with Daddy? Hey. Well, hey. Chloe, what's that? What's that? Hey, that's one egg. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And let's see if we can find some more, Chloe.
That's weird that there's an egg on the floor.
Uh-huh. Isn't it? That's one egg. Let's carry them round on this. Chloe, come here, baby. Come on. There? No.
Oh, Dad? Are you
Hold
making
on.
yourself comfortable? What? What?
Chloe, come over here, baby. Come on. Chloe. 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 Do you want your egg? Come on. Stand up, girl. Come on. Stand up. Chloe.
There's a kitty in the basket, Daddy. Oh.
Chloe. Do you want your egg? Come on. Stand up. Stand up. That's a good girl. Chloe.
Oh, what's that over there?
Chloe, what's that? What's that? Is that another egg? Hey!
Yay!
That's 2 eggs. Chloe. Chloe, what's that? Chloe? What's that? What's that in there? Chloe, look. Hey!
Very good.
3 eggs. 3 eggs. Okay. Chloe, let's go this way. Do you want to look in your toys? Come on. Come on. Chloe. Hey, what's that? What's that? Hey, another egg. Hey. Come on, Chloe. Chloe, come to Daddy.
Maybe there's still some more over there. Have you looked?
Is there some more over there?
There might be some more over there. Well, maybe not there exactly.
Huh. Let's look, see if there's any more. Chloe, let's look for more eggs. Chloe, come here. Come on. What's that there? Chloe, what's that? Is that another egg? Hey! Chloe's got another egg. Very good.
How many does that make, Daddy?
5 eggs.
Okay.
This one's cracked.
It's okay.
Come on, Chloe. Chloe, let's
Whoopi.
finish with more eggs. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Come on, let's see if there's any more eggs.
Chloe. What's that down there?
Yay!
That was another egg. Hey, good girl. Put that in.
We just want to trade one out, Daddy.
Put that one in. Chloe, one more egg. I see it. Chloe, come on. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, what's that over there? What's that? Chloe, what's that?
Can you see
Can you
it?
see it? Hey!
Yay! That one says Chloe on it.
And that one has your name all over it.
Let's see it.
Chloe.
Chloe.
That's a good
Yay!
girl. Come on, Chloe.
Happy Easter, baby. Whoops. Daddy's dropping stuff. Happy Easter, Chloe
Happy
Monkey.
Easter, Chloe. Chloe. Come on. Walk over. Come on. Okay, you can lunge. She's not really hard to play
She can play with one of them for a little bit. Just don't give her the one that says Chloe.
because that's...
Happy Easter, baby.
Hey, happy Easter!
Good girl.
Good girl, Chloe.